we will understand the different file formats for different files. So file formats are basically the extensions which show what kind of file we are dealing with, because different types of files can be stored in a computer. It can be a text document, it can be image file, it can be a presentation. So each type of file has a different file format, that is extension which is associated with it. A file format is a standard way for encoding information in a computer file. It is generally indicated by files extension. A file's extension contains 3 or 4 letters appended at the end of a file name, separated by a period, that is dot. Like for documents, we use .doc or .docs. For spreadsheet, the file extension is .xls or .xlsx. A spreadsheet created in MS Excel has extension .xls or .xlsx. Image files will have GIF, PNG or JPG formats. Audio files will be of the form MP3, WAV, etc. Presentation file, that is file that you create in MS PowerPoint, has the extension of .ppt or .pptx. Let me show you an example. Like I can see an image file here. Right click on this. I'll see the properties. It will show that it's a. It will show the property and it's a PNG file with extension .png. Similarly, if you want to show an Excel file, suppose this is an Excel file, I'll right click on this, I'll go to the properties, and here I can see it is an Excel file with an extension .xls. So it shows the type of file, it is the file format. If we talk about a PowerPoint file or a PDF file, like suppose this is a PowerPoint file, I'll right click on this, show the property, and it shows that it's a PowerPoint file and extension is .pptx. For a PDF file, similarly, if you see the property, we can see it's a .pdf. So .pdf is an extension of a PDF file, that is portable document format. So this is about file formats, the different types of file formats. Now I'll explain you about sorting files. Sorting files means arranging files in a proper order, that is by name, by size, by item, by type, and date modified. Sorting helps in easy retrieval of required files. We can sort the files by name, by size, by item type, by date modified. Like suppose here are many files, I want to sort these files. So for sorting files, I'll right click on this empty space. There'll be a menu. I click on sort by and I select name. So all the files will be saved according to the names. Next, I'll select sort by date modified. So in that case, according to the dates, like from previous to first, from now to previous. So these files are arranged in the chronological order. Next is item type. I can also select like sort by type. Type means in that case all the PDF files will come together, images file will come together, PowerPoint files will come together, Word files will come together. So this way we can sort different files in our computer. In the last module, we will learn how to work with multiple windows. Like I have this window open, I have another window, these many windows. So to work with multiple windows, I can choose many options, like I can right click on this and I'll click on this option. Like suppose here, I'll click on this, I'll choose option show the desktop. So to show the desktop, show task view. Windows allows us to open multiple files, multiple applications, and work in them at the same time. And let me show you practically. Like suppose I have a PowerPoint file. To open a PowerPoint file, you can click on Start, All Programs, and then Microsoft Office, and then PowerPoint. And suppose I have opened this PowerPoint file, I'll right click on this empty space in the desktop. I click on Show Windows side by side. So this way, both the windows which are there, you can see these windows are shown side by side. Like I have two files, two windows. So I'll click on this.